Hey guys, so this is how to log into your Wix account and edit your website. So first thing you need to do is just open up a browser and in the search bar just type wix.com, then hit enter. And at the top right, just click on login right next to the get started button. That's if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you need to click on the get started button and fill in the information. But I already have an account, so I just clicked on login. So I'll just enter my email. It needs my fingerprint to do so, so I'll just do that. Then continue with email, enter your password, then click on login, confirm that you're not a robot, click on login again, and just wait for it to load up. And there you are, you're inside your Wix account. Now, if I want to see my sites are right there, but if I want to see all of them displayed, I can just click on all sites. Then let's say I want to go to portfolio, for example. I'll just click on that. Then I want to edit the portfolio website. So I'll just click on edit site right here. Then you just need to wait for it to load up. It may take some time, but there it is. You can just start editing away. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.